On behalf of the Board of Trustees, Superintendent Dr. De La Torre, and myself, I'd like to extend my sincere thanks to Marathon Petroleum and El Paso Community College for helping making this program a reality for Ysleta Independent School District students.
This is an exciting opportunity, not just for El Paso Community College, but for our overall community. Through the generosity of Marathon Petroleum, this creates a high school to college transition program for students in welding so that those individuals can come on over, receive advanced training in welding, become certified welders, and enter industry well trained for a great career.
The data shows that the jobs of the future are going to require some sort of degree or certificate. By working together, we're able to ensure that our students can easily transfer from high school to college and graduate with a degree or certificate that makes them career ready.
Growing up as a kid, I saw my family, and just seeing like the sparks and everything was just awesome. So I've always really wanted to do it, and I want to go further into this because not only do you make really good money, it's also a great experience. You learn patience, and it's just something that's awesome.
For many of today's students, high school graduation is no longer the finish line. It is a stepping stone towards their post-secondary and professional goals. That's why it's so important for our district to provide relevant and rigorous instruction in core academic subjects, complemented by real-world career opportunities.
So I think there'll be a lot of opportunities. We're seeing it now. We're seeing right now that there's a high demand. And again, we're just trying to show that, hey, we're front and center investing and making sure we can secure our future.